It always fills me with dread when the seller of an item I've purchased on eBay dispatches something via MyHermes, because more often than not this sort of thing ends up coming through my door. The bottom here, sodden, soaking wet. I mean look, it looks like someone's been playing football with it. All this is damp. You can see the soap mark here, look, the watermark even, look. It sounds alright, but it doesn't look like they've used much packaging, does it? Look? I mean, this is all soaked. Look! Right. Yeah, this is all wet. No, it's not hamster bedding. Just going to tip this away. Right, I've got a slightly bubble wrapped package inside. Manky old elastic band. Ooh, this box. Hey, boom. Zoom in a bit, look. What have we got here? We've got Microsoft Office Disc 1. Microsoft Office version 4.2. And we haven't just got one disc, have we? Look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 24, 25 floppy disks. Absolute madness, but that's what it was like. 25 floppy disks, blimey. Right, let's better put them away. Look at that. Now, nothing's broken off of it, so I wonder, that's okay. I wonder if I could prise it apart a little bit and then put a bit of glue on it. Maybe, I'll give that a go later. But for now, here we go. Microsoft Office 4.2. Luckily this next item was delivered by Royal Mail, so it's been looked after. Let's get it open and see what it is. I've forgotten what I've ordered. Is it a game? Ooh. That came very quick. Midtown Madness 2, look. No scratches, that's good. It's not the original release, obviously. It's from the explosive budget release. But yeah, no, I used to love playing Midtown Madness and Midtown Madness 2. Next! Right, let's see what we've got in here. I think, hopefully, I could be wrong, that this is YouTube related rather than retro computing related. Right, that can go in the bin. This bit I will recycle and reuse. Oh, yes, this is not retro computing, but it is YouTube related. Look at that. Wow. Wow, this is what I currently have. I have a ShuttlePRO that I use for video editing. Just got the 4 buttons, swirly bit in the middle, so I'm good with technical terms, and then a rotatey slidey thing here. This has got more buttons on it and they're all programmable. You can tell it to do whatever you like, so it's got the same swirly bit, got the same bit in the middle with 3 buttons, but these here actually pop out and you can print off a template and stick your own buttons in. Yeah, that's normally very expensive, but I've got a very good deal off eBay, and that means this will very shortly be going on eBay. I should probably get the same amount of money for this as what I paid for this, so yeah, work that one out. Absolute bargain. As you can see, thanks to a certain courier that we shan't mention, I've got a broken lid. I've got a big crack here, look. Luckily, I've got some liquid cement, which is basically pure super glue, cyanacrylate. Normally super glue has main ingredient of cyanacrylate and then loads of other stuff like bonding agents, so that when you're gluing together unlike materials such as plastic and metal, they will bond together. This is pure cyanacrylate, so it will only bond like surfaces such as plastics. Mainly used, this one particularly is by Tamiya, which is mainly used in the radio controlled hobbyists. Oh, God, hold on. Oh God, blimey. Don't know if you can see that, there's a nice really thin brush there. Cool, blimey. Yeah, definitely use it in a well ventilated area. Okay, and I'm not sure if this is going to work or make it, oh no, look. I can open it a bit so I can get the brush inside there. Just trying to open it up a bit without it actually snapping. Just going to get a cloth. There we go, got a cloth. I'm just going to wipe the excess off. Try not to get it on your fingers, obviously. There you go. Going to leave it to set. We'll come back later. And last but not least, I have no idea what this is. Oh, sounds floppy disk related, doesn't it? There we go. Aha, look at that. A mishmash of disks like MS-DOS 3.3a, Olivetti software library. Copyright 1987. Look, 10 hours of free AOL online. Oh, see, look, they've not been looked after too well. Look, a bit of a tea or coffee stain. Look, it looks like it's still the original disc. Windows 3.1. Yeah, wow. Microsoft Works. Microsoft Works. Let's get rid of this. Mouse driver. Well. Right, MS-DOS 6.22 plus enhanced tools. Mouse software, there's two of them. Microsoft Works, setup 1 and 2 on one disk, and then there's 3. That's a bit odd. DOS 6.22. Windows for work groups. Microsoft Works. That's the spell help and thesaurus. Wowzers. 6.22. Windows for work groups. Windows for work groups. Windows for work groups. Another mouse disc. Another mouse disc that I think a mouse is eating. Look. Yeah, that's a 720k one. Look, these are just the normal high density. Mind you, look, they're 720k ones. Like, wow, these are old. Well, yeah, 1989. Oh, look, another mouse driver. Lots of mice. GW Basic Customer Test Utilities. And that's the system disk. Ooh. So that'll be interesting. See what they are. Right, so what have we got here then? We've got Microsoft Windows for Workgroups 3.11, Disk 4, Disk 8, Disk 1, Disk 3. Ah, look, there they are. Put them over here, look. Disk 7. So none of this adds up. I just think he's got a mishmash of disks there. Look. Disk 1, Disk 3, Disk 4, Disk 7 and 8. Okay, so we've got MSDOS 6.22, disc 1, disc 2 and disc 3. That could be complete. We need to check on that. And then we've got Microsoft Windows 3.1, disc 4 and disc 5. Yeah, well, I only got this for a couple of quid off eBay, so, and I wanted it for the Microsoft Works. So to get these as a bonus is, well, it's a bonus, really. Perhaps I got these for cheap because the next one's going to be £100 for the missing discs. Oh well, lovely jubbly. Remember this from earlier? Well, the glue's now dried. It doesn't look particularly neat, but look, it doesn't flex around. It's not coming apart, so it has actually stuck together. So I can at least do this now then. Put the lid on, he says. Hopefully. There we go, clip 2. Doesn't fall off. Again, it doesn't look the prettiest, but that's not what I got it for. That was the discs. So yeah, successful. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.